we go.
All right, hey guys, Eric here. The ASAP tire company from TireRack is out putting the new tires on my car now, so we'll see if we can sneak out. Due to COVID restrictions, apparently I'm not supposed to actually stand out there and film. I asked, they said no. So trying to respect them, but we'll try to sneak out, and I'll just maybe get a couple of quick shots of their truck and kind of all the equipment they bring and whatnot. And yeah, we'll take a look at the car when the tires are on it, maybe go for a quick drive, and then probably do a review of the tires down the road. But so far, real simple process. I signed up on the ASAP tire thing when they sent me the email. They showed up right on time, and they said they should be done here in about 30 minutes. So let's go check it out. There's the new ones. Good tread. You guys got the setup.
Oh yeah.
You got everything. All right, so I was able to get some footage from out there while they're installing tires. So they actually showed up with two trucks. One guy's taking the back tires, one guy's doing the front tires. And they're moving through it pretty quick, even as big as the tires are, 305s on the back. He's already swapped them out in like the first 15 minutes. So they're working on finishing the front ones up now. But I got some footage for you guys. Kind of got recorded the Continentals up close off the car. So you guys can get a good look at the tread pattern and the different widths. And yeah, once they're done, we'll go take this thing for a spin. All right. There's the Continentals. Much better. Just checking to see if they put the right size tires on the right spot. Yep. All right, hey guys, we're taking the Camaro out for a spin. Sorry about the awkward camera angle. I can't find my my mount for my phone to go on my windshield, so we're stuck like this. But just wanted to do a quick first drive, initial impressions. Walked around the car. I'll put that in the video. Made sure they put obviously the right tires on the right, front and back, since we're on a staggered setup. And they did. So I'd give the installation a 10 out of 10. I didn't have to lift a finger. They were done in 30 minutes. So far, the tires feel just as responsive as the Goodyears. Much smoother too. They've kind of got a more rounded edge instead of the real, those Goodyears from the factory on the 1LEs are real flat and square. These are not like that at all. And it feels a lot more like my old V6 1LE that had the regular Goodyears on it, the more all-season focused Goodyears. But yeah, the tram lining is much better on the Continentals, and I'll do a full review. This is just, I just want to throw something out there for the install video and kind of review ASAP tire and all. But initial impressions are really good. Really like the tires. They look great on the car. And they really feel great. I mean, you can't see right now, but I'm kind of going back and forth in my lane, or side to side. And yeah, they feel grippy and responsive, just as much as the Goodyears. Of course, on the road. I'm sure on a racetrack it'd be a lot different. But yeah, ASAP tire, I will probably never get my tires installed another way again. It was quick. Literally sat at home on a meeting. They came by and did everything for me. What I do want to check is, let's see how they did getting the tire pressures right. 36 on the back, 35 on the front. I think that's what it says on the door jamb, so looks like they got that correct as well. So yeah, I'll end the video for now right there. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.